Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Fidelity step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Fidelity, start by creating a Fidelity account if you don't have one already. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the necessary information, including your name, email address, and personal identification details. Once your account is established, log in to your Fidelity dashboard. Navigate to the Planning and Guidance section, where you'll find various budgeting tools. Select the budgeting option to access Fidelity's budgeting features. Begin by inputting your income information. Enter all sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, and any additional earnings. Next, move on to your expenses section. List your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. After that, account for your variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Review your spending habits with Fidelity's built-in analysis tool. This tool will help you identify areas where you can cut back or adjust your spending. Set financial goals that align with your budgeting plan. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, define your priorities. Make use of Fidelity's goal-setting features to track your progress over time. Once your budget is established, regularly review and adjust it as necessary. Check in with your budget at least monthly to stay on track. Utilize Fidelity's mobile app to monitor your spending on the go and make real-time adjustments. Consider taking advantage of Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your financial literacy. This could include webinars, articles, or one-on-one consultations with financial advisors. Maintain discipline in following your budget and stay committed to your financial goals. With consistency and a proactive approach, you will achieve your budgeting objectives with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.